Shh. A rare sighting of a fur pig napping in its natural habitat. The fur pig is easily recognized by its rotund, hippo-like appearance. Be careful not to startle the sleeping creature in case it wakes and mistakes you for its dinner.